So, okay guys, I have just managed to remove all the bugs. So it's about, so let me just tell you what kind of mistake I made. It was really stupid. So I forgot to put comma here, and I also forgot another comma here. Okay, and very amazingly, unbelievably, I put a pair of braces instead of uh, a pair of parentheses here. So now all the error has been corrected. It's a moment of truth. Let's run. Control A to select everything. Control Enter to run. Okay, let's just test this one by one. We got our quiz document here. So we enter an integer 1. Let's see. There's no pass from the top left corner. That's all good. Okay. So let's run this again for the next case. Let's input 7. Okay, let's just put 7 here. So the leftmost longest path from the top left corner is 0, just 1. Yeah, that's correct. We get it. Okay, it's fantastic. Okay, the next test case. Select everything and run. It's gonna be 0. We get 0, 0, 0, 1, and 1, 1. That's exactly right. That's fantastic. Feels so good when you get something down. Okay, the next longest path, next integer is gonna be 16. That's a lot more complicated. Let's just compare one by one. 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 3, 4, 4, 4. That's exactly right. Now it's the last case. Integer 17. Let's compare. 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 0, 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 4, 6, 4, 6, 5, 7, 5, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 7, 7, 7, 6, 6, 6, 5, 6, 4, 6, 3, 6, 2, 6. That's exactly right. Guys, we have just done this. It's just amazing. The feeling when you actually accomplish something, that's really overwhelming. And I hope you guys really enjoy the whole learning process. And I mean, this is my way of doing it. It's like you visualize, yeah? I mean, in a separate document, just write some pseudocode, yeah? And just make your architecture, just write it out. I mean, use whatever mean you can type it out, write it out on paper, or draw it out, whatever. I mean, do whatever it takes, to make you think through, to make you better design an algorithm. I think that's the whole point of programming. Yeah, do whatever is best for you. Do what you feel is the most comfortable with. Okay, so guys, so it has been such a great ride. It's such an enjoyable process to working on this programming quiz, and I shall see you next time. In the meantime, enjoy programming. Thank you.